Actually, katatapos lang po nung pag-ramp ko nun sa stage. So, I was about to get off na ng stage. Yung talagang ang lakas ng pag-hearing. So, kala ko po talaga naghihilo lang ako the first time. Pero na-realize ko na it's an earthquake nung tumatakbo na po yung mga tao sa paligid ko. Random na po kasi may mga girls na tumakbo. Pero I saw Taiwan, Miss Taiwan. She stood there, shocked po. So talaga na, siya lang talaga yung naabot ko that time. Tapos niyaya ko po siya talaga. I don't know if she can understand me kasi she's panicking. Pero I put her dun sa ilalim ng table and I also covered myself dun sa ilalim ng table kasi masyado pong malakas yung nangyari kagabi. So I was so afraid na kung tatakbo kami, baka maabutan kami, whatever it is na mahuhulog sa taas. So, naghintay po kami doon, nagstay kami doon for almost 2 minutes, I think, before kami umalis or before kami lumabas ng table. They're very calm po. At talaga namang masasabi kong kudos po sa kanila kasi minake sure nila na everyone is safe, na everyone is comforted kasi during that time po talaga walang prepared. I mean, hindi naman po natin mapaghandaan talaga yung gantong pangyayari. But they still remain prepared and at the same time calm po during this calamity. As far as I know po, the activities today, which is the press con, yun lang pina-cancel. But everything is still gonna happen on the day that they are meant to happen. We have the coronation night sa October 8, the preliminaries October 3. So wala naman pong update if there's changes. But as of now, we're just making sure na everyone is safe, everyone is still comforted. And at the same time, we're helping din po sa packing of relief goods for Cebu. And as of the moment po sa mga families, to the families of the candidates, and to our families, to our friends out there, I just want to say that we're all safe. We're all well taken care of, and to the families, of course, I just want to share to the families of the candidates. I was able to talk to Miss Morocco, Miss Peru, and Miss South Africa, and I led my phone actually last night for them to use to contact their families, and their families are also afraid, or they're also fearing for the safety of their child as well, kasi it was live, it was broadcast live. What happened po talagang napakita online, and they're all like worried. Even my parents po, they keep calling me before I answer them kasi I just make sure na we're all safe po. I'm safe before I like open my phone last night. Laban pa rin po tayo, and of course sa Cebu po, sa ating mga Cebuano, I'm praying po, we're all praying for you. Stay safe po, keep our faith high. And at the same time po, let's all help as much as we can, the prayers, kung ano man munting matutulong natin to help rebuild Cebu po. Maraming salamat po.